Hey, it's Steve from ARackAbove. I'm down here at Citrus Grove. Came down to visit one of my first customers, Kevin, and wanted to share a installation with you. Kevin's had this rack for about 2 years. He saw me when I was set up at the Renninger's flea market. So come on in, let me show you what he's done here. He had these shelves over here lined up and down both sides of the garage for storage. And we came in and we put in ARackAbove, and this spans 13.5 feet wide. Okay, it attaches with no screws, no nails. It's literally freestanding. So all the weight is on the floor, so you're not damaging your home. If you come over here, James, and point up here to the top, you'll see these black feet. Those black feet simply secure the whole rack to the ceiling to keep it from tilting so it can't move back and forth. This rack holds 1,000 pounds of weight. You can get to it from both sides. As you can see, there's no obstruction. Right? And then what's even nice is he's got room to get into his attic. So he can actually access his attic when he needs to, if he needs to. But the idea is that you get stuff off the attic, out of the attic, and onto this rack. Now he's not utilizing it, but what's really neat is ARackAbove has integrated pegboard. So you can literally buy pegboard hooks and hang brooms, blowers, mops, dustpans, whatever you want to add additional storage. You get some of that stuff out of your laundry room. So I just wanted to say hello and show you one of these villas that has a rack that's utilized a lot of extra space for them. If you need any help, call Steve at 407-474-1214.